Let's look at Chapter 7, Lesson 7 review. Find the figures described by each statement below. Write the letters. So keep in mind it could be one figure or two by adding that S, or one letter or two letters that you're going to write on the line, or it could even be three. So I have a quadrilateral, I have a parallelogram, and I have a trapezoid. The figure has four sides and is closed. So looking at all of these, I can count the sides, and I know that each side has four, or each shape has four, and if I look at them, they're all closed. There's no openings. So I'm going to write A, B, and C. Remember when you make a list to use commas. The figure has exactly two pairs of parallel sides. So two pairs of parallel sides means that the sides are not going to run into each other. So if I look at A, I can tell that these sides are going to run into each other, which means that's not parallel. And these two sides will run into each other, which means it's not parallel. Letter B, I have two sides that aren't running in, and another two sides that never run in. Letter C, I have two sides that will run, and then these two sides do not run. So letter B is the only one that has two pairs of parallel sides. And the figure that has exactly one pair of parallel sides. Well, I already ruled out A because it does not have any. And letter B had two, so that can't be it. So letter C, I can see that the top and the bottom here exactly are parallel sides, but it's only one pair. So letter C. So we need to find the perimeter and area of each figure for the measurement section. So remember, perimeter is when you count outside, and area is going to be the inside. So let's count out for number 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have a 4 and I have a 3. I can then know that these are going to be 3 and 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 4 more is 10, plus 4 more is 14. Now for the area, I'm going to count the shapes. And I can do a 3 by 4, and I know 3 times 4 is going to be 12 square units. For the perimeter for number 5, I have a 2, and I have a 4. So I know that these are going to be 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 is 6, so I know that 6 plus 6 is going to be 12. Now I have area. I have a 2 by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Let's do number 6. I have a 2 by 5. I can write these in. So I know that 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 times 2, or 7 plus 7, will be 14 for my perimeter. Now for area, I take 5 times 2, and I know 5 times 2 is 10. Do the same thing for number 7. I have a 3. I have 3 here. This one has 2. Then I have a 1 and a 1, so 2 more. And then 2 on the end. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 2 more is 8. Plus 2 more is 10. Plus 2 more is 12. How many square units? Now, I do have a 3 by 2, which would be 6, and then 2 more. So I have 8 square units. You can break it up like that, or you can go through and count them all. Breaking it up, though, would make it easier for larger shapes in the future. For number 8, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 for my perimeter. You can count them like that, or you could have done what we've done in previous ones. For area, I have what looks to be a 2 by 3, which 2 times 3 is 6, and then 2 more, which would be 8. Do the same thing for number 9. I have 1, 2, 3, and I know that this is going to be 3 over here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this one, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up top. 6 plus 6 is 12, and then 3 plus 3 is another 6, so I have 18 for my perimeter. Now for the area, I can go through and count. I have 3 here, plus 2 more is going to be 5, plus 2 more is 7, plus 3 more is going to be 10.